Hi, my name is Ellie, and in a series of tutorials, I'm going to show you how to use the features of VEDAMO Virtual Classroom. I hope you find this useful.
VEDAMO Virtual Classroom offers hosts full control over the participant settings as well as the interface during the session. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manipulate the mode according to your teaching needs. To change the mode of the virtual classroom, click on the Change Mode at the bottom of the whiteboard. You will see two options: turning Simple View Mode on and Enter Present Mode. The Simple View mode is useful when the host wants participants to focus on the content without being distracted by the different buttons, features, and functionalities on the side of the whiteboard. This mode is widely used by teachers of preschool and primary school students who tend to easily get distracted and click on every button just to test it. So, when you click on the Simple View Mode button, a pop-up window will appear with a short explanation of the functionality. If you don't want to see this again when you access the mode, simply tick the Don't Show Again option in the left corner of the window. You will also get a preview of how the virtual classroom interface will look with the Simple View mode turned on. Participants in the current session will have no access to the whiteboard tools on the left side and the functional Windows buttons on the right side of the virtual classroom. All of the tools will remain visible only to the host. Note that this setting cannot be turned on in one breakout room and turned off in another. Turning Simple View mode on affects every participant and group in the current session. The second mode option in the virtual classroom is the Presentation or Present mode. It allows you to distribute your uploaded files onto multiple pages on the whiteboard and show them as slides like a presentation. While in Presentation mode, the host screen is synchronized with all participant screens. The buttons on the right side of the screen and the ones at the bottom will be hidden. Again, participants will stay focused on the content being shown. The sound controls remain the same as they were set before the mode was switched on. This is how the virtual classroom looks in the Present mode. Use the arrows to change the slides or the sheets, and when you are ready or want to exit the mode, click on the red button Stop Presenting at the bottom left corner. As a host, you can allow a participant to be a presenter in the session. Click on the Participants and Groups icon to access the participants list, then open the settings and slide the Presenter option to green. Whether you opt for the simplicity of the Simple View mode, perfect for engaging younger students without distractions, or the structured Presentation mode, ideal for delivering organized content, you have the power to create the optimal learning environment for your session.
Thank you for watching. You can also check the detailed step-by-step article in the description of this video. Happy teaching!